In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use the Backbone controller on Call of Duty Mobile. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using the Backbone on Call of Duty Mobile is extremely simple because it is a straightforward process. You don't need to do any sort of workarounds or download additional tools. The Backbone is natively compatible with Call of Duty Mobile, and all of the actions, all of the functions will be able to be performed using the Backbone. So all that you have to do is first set up the Backbone app on your phone. Assuming that you just got your Backbone and you haven't downloaded the latest version of their mobile app, you will be able to find it under the Play Store or the App Store. By downloading the latest version of Backbone, you will be able to manage your games library, see all the platforms where you can use the controller, and set it up according to your personal preferences. Now, once you have the latest version of the app, you will see a library of games, you can set it up, and all that you have to do now is insert your phone into the controller. From the list of games in the hub, you should be able to find Call of Duty Mobile as long as it is installed on your device and you go ahead and select it. By selecting Call of Duty Mobile or Warzone, the game should start, and like I said, everything will work as usual. Unfortunately, due to this way that I'm recording this video, I won't be able to show you actual gameplay using the Backbone controller, but like I mentioned previously, you shouldn't have any issues doing this because it is natively supported, and as soon as you connect a Backbone into your device and you choose Call of Duty Mobile from your games library, you will be good to go. If you are experiencing problems doing this, make sure that the controller is being detected and try updating the app to the latest version available. It should be picked up by default once you have the app and the Backbone properly seated and connected into your mobile device. I hope I was able to help you on how to use a Backbone controller on Call of Duty Mobile. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.